these are some biscuit crumbs that I have taken. What you can do is to make them, you can just take some biscuits and I just break it and put it in the mixer grinder or pulser, and I get a very nice biscuit powder like so. I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoon of sugar into it. After mixing it fairly well, I'll just add some butter. These are some melted butter. I kind of get a delicious aroma already. Our base is ready. I'm going to take a mold like so. So this is just a mold. You can take and spread it evenly. Gently, you can use any flat surface. I'm just using this to press so that it stays put in place. Now our base is ready. Let us go ahead and freeze it in a freezer for about half an hour. Now in a bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of custard powder. Into it we will be adding about 125 ml of milk and mix it so that no lumps are formed. After mixing it well and nice, keep it aside. Pour the remaining milk into the vessel and bring it to a boil. This is the remaining of the 500 ml of milk. It has started to boil. Reduce the flame. And pour in gently and stir it continuously to avoid any lumps. The mixture that I have bought, the custard mixture that I have bought from the market is vanilla. Alright, now I have taken it out into a serving bowl. I will just allow it to cool a little. Alright, now our tart has been in the refrigerator for half an hour. You can see the sides are coming out. We don't want to take it out. We just need to put another layer of custard over it before it sets. Right now I will keep this in the fridge for about 4 hours. Okay, so I am going to cut some fruits. I have taken some kiwi, some black grapes, and I have taken the dragon fruit. I'm just going to cut them. And let's see how it... Here, it's working. So I just got one nice scoop. So now let's go ahead and make jelly. Take about 300 ml of water. Add about 4 tablespoons of sugar in it. Allow the mixture to get dissolved well and nice in this. Squeeze about 1 lemon juice. Once the sugar is completely dissolved in water, add about half cup of water, tablespoon of gelatin, and just sprinkle onto it. That is 1 tablespoon. With the help of a fork, gently mix them. Soak it for about 5 minutes. In a bowl, pour some hot water into it. Boiling hot water. Right. Just place the hot gelatin in the water. You can see it is getting melted. Now you can see the jelly has melted well and nice. It has gently poured in the jelly. Now our jelly water is ready. Let us prepare for the bowls in which we are going to pour our jelly. Going to add some Our fruit jellies are also ready. Let us now go ahead and refrigerate it for about 4 hours. Alright, now it has set. You can see it has set well and nice. A plate, gently going to get out on a plate. Layer absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so now our jelly is absolutely ready. You can see nice and set well and nice. Superb. Oh, you can also see my mehendi. Alright, so this is nice and set. Just going to make the process very quick. Just place it in the hot water. Pieces just going in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, how do I take it out? Alright, now you can see that the jelly has started to move well and nice. It's quite become nice and wiggly. So I'm just going to see, you can see it has started to move. Awesome. So there you are. So you can see our delicious jelly is wiggly and already. Wee, it is so much fun. And there is this. Oh, I just can't stop playing with this, you know. Actually it is so much satisfying. I'm going to taste this. Look at it. You have to have a big mouth. It's so yummy. Well friends, please do try it out. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.